else have we?
I do like that with dinner you can order multiple appetizers, multiple entrees, or multiple desserts, which just encourages gluttony. However, I have gotten to try some stuff like that I only hear about on the Great British Baking Show.
That was a good thing.
I had an onion tart as an appetizer yesterday. 2 thumbs up for onion tart. And I had, what was the thing I
Lamb
had?
and lamb.
Lamb twice. Never complained about lamb. Only once in the dining room, unless there's lamb tonight. The other lamb was stewed at the cafeteria.
The Windjammer.
Right. Well, I didn't want to be ship specific.
I think they call Windjammer on every cruise ship.
Really?
I think they do. We can check into that, but I'm pretty confident everyone has a Windjammer.
You're gonna have to
yeah.
on this cruise line, like not
on this.
cruise
No,
lines.
like you wouldn't go to a competitive cruise line like cruise line the one we saw for yesterday that begins with the C. They don't have a Windjammer. I don't think it's just the Royal Caribbeans have Windjammer.
That's the code name for cafeteria.
Code name for cafeteria is Windjammer. What else? Let's see. We've gotten a fair amount of reading done, so we've educated ourselves.
I wouldn't say my reading was educational. I was reading fiction, unlike my normal self. However, I've read 2.5 books.
I'm 300 and some odd pages into a 480-page book that I'm hoping I get done maybe by the time we hit land tomorrow. I don't know.
You are not.
I'm gonna try. We met some fascinating people. There's Lily and Kim, then Heather.
Oh, those are the people that I met when I sent him away. And he met them in hot tubs primarily, or in the casino.
Hot tubs. I met everybody in the hot tub. The big vat of bubbly, steamy water that goes back and forth and encompasses your entire body, and then you judge other people by the volume displacement when they get in.
I don't go to hot tubs. That's not the proper way to
It
meet
was
people.
rather.
It's not the way to meet people.
It was rather refreshing, and it helped with my massages. I will say, 10 out of 10 in the massage category. Osana from
10 out of 10
the
for
Filipino.
My fish feet thing.
That
I would have
fish
done
thing.
that. I would have done that again if they had.
Someone is
if I had
planning
time.
on ordering the fish
You
from
can
Amazon.
order the fish from Amazon. They come from Turkey. I'm going to do some research.
Maybe Matt Murad could get you some fish. Murad's from Turkey.
Oh, I was like, getting fish. He works at the Humane Society in Santa Fe. They don't have fish there.
I don't know, but he's from Turkey.
He's got guys.
He's got guys. Murad has guys for sure.
So,
if there's one person
hook
that
me
we
up
know
on
who's
the-
got guys, it's Murad. Especially when we need some Turkish guys with some Turkish fish to eat the feet.
The fish hookup guys. But I think there's other. I think Turkey is not the only place because my nephew had shoes meat things in Thailand. So I don't think Thailand has the Turkish fish. They have their own.
Taiwanese fish?
Yes. Not Taiwan, Indonesia.
Indonesian fish.
Indonesian fish that chew on your feet. Totally worth it. If you see it and you're on a cruise or you're anywhere and you have fish that chew on your feet, do it. I've wanted to do this for so long.
And if you've done it before, comment below so Kira can see your comments about the fishy feet.
Right. Because it was awesome. Because I've been wanting to do it since we saw it in a mall in Vegas. In what it was the year we went to see the cats. So it was like 2008, 17,
Maybe.
I think. And we went to the mall, and we did not have time because we were running through the mall. I don't remember. Well, we went to the Untucked store to get you ridiculous shirts.
I got my ridiculous Untucked shirt that I still haven't
And
loved.
we didn't have time for fish. And now I know every time I see fish feet, make the time to have fish chew on your feet.
Now, does anybody in Syracuse have fish chewing feet? Because maybe you could set yourself up in a mall. Could you imagine
There's not enough people in
You could
Syracuse
just-
that would want to do it.
if you just brought the fish into the office, you could charge your coworkers.
There's only like 15 of us in the office. I don't have enough.
Your sister would want to buy it twice.
My sister would be frightened if fish touched her feet. But I'm sure I can count on a couple of my coworkers to be doing it. I will not name those people that would probably do it.
Okay. And I mean, as far as the shows, we just saw the Saturday Night Fever abbreviated version.
On stage, very well done. I was impressed. Being a connoisseur of off-Broadway musical, it was an excellent job.
Yes, and we also saw the same group of people in the other show.
No, it wasn't.
It was the same group of people.
No, it's
yes, it
not.
was. Those are the same singers and dancers.
There were no singers in the aerialists.
They didn't have. I know, but they were the same performers. They were the same performers. I looked. The faces were the same.
Because you memorized all the faces.
I did. I wasn't drunk, so I did.
Oh,
I did. I saw.
Clearly.
Same people. Tell me right now. They are not bringing two separate.
Okay, but
That's just wrong.
the set of
That's
skills
just so wrong.
you need to do an
Can't
aerialist
see.
shows.
But it's wrong. Yeah, but those.
The two Puerto Rican dancers, I would almost believe they were from the aerialists, but not all.
They were both in the same
It
show.
is a different set of skills.
That tall,
To sing
lanky
and
girl.
dance.
The tall, lanky girl was also the aerialist. Tonight, she was just the dancer, but she's also the aerialist.
Okay.
They used. We will find this out if they use the same cast and the same musicians. I bet they did. How much you want to bet on that one? Some money now?
Listen, I'm not
You
gambling
want to bet?
anymore.
You want to
No,
bet? You wanna
don't bet the sausage dog. It's priceless.
Yes. I'm like that.
So the guy who played
I'm just shaking his head.
Tony was an aerialist.
No. What I'm saying is, all the people,
You mean the chorus people?
the
backup
cast of
people.
each show are the same. I'm telling you right now, the cast of each show is the same.
I'm just worried.
I'll
that
put
he sends me
money on that.
You'll bet on anything.
That's the only thing that
You bet whether Janet Des Moines is still on that stool out there.
Yeah, I would bet Janet Des Moines to say she probably has a pizza by now, or maybe 3, because there's a shit ton of free pizza on this boat. You can eat pizza till 3
We
a.m.
did have it once. We did have it once on a Hungry Day.
It was not.
It wasn't awful.
But I
It wasn't awful. It wasn't Italy pizza. It was thin, so it wasn't too
We're in a
fresh.
ship. You're not getting any pizza on it.
I can't tell. I think
It was no Sammy's from Bridgeport, damn it. I said they didn't have garlic pizza because I would have been
Now.
scooping that up.
Also, show-wise, what's your friend's name?
Janet from Des Moines.
No, not Jennifer. Your boy. Your drag boy.
Oh, Timmy,
Now, if her Timmy
a.k.a. Madison Vine.
would have fallen in love with some of the performers in the show.
The aerial guys were very pretty, and they were not wearing a lot of clothing. And what
They had
clothing
bare
did wear-
chests. They had
what-
bare
what
chests.
clothing they did have on was very
because
tight.
it's all with like warm to your.
You would have loved it, sweetie. You would have loved it.
So yes, so
I loved it. I can't fit one in my suitcase. I'm so sorry. Plus, they have other shows to do.
And
I can't just steal one for you.
and she has a sloth in her suitcase now. So, but who's counting?
Oh, and there was that dirty hippie boy that I liked.
Oh, she likes the dirty hippie boy, right? So let's just clear the air here.
No, stop.
There's dirty hippie boy. There were some other gentlemen that she,
There's always good-looking boys everywhere. That's why Timmy and I
which
go
is
into bars
which is
together.
why no married.
No Mary. No Mary.
He's a number 99. No married.
Not a dirty hippie.
Not a dirty hippie.
Nah.
No. Nope. Drives me Michigan. I mean, what else do we need?
Time for dinner yet?
We have about 17 minutes till dinner, which means about 5 minutes early we do the thunderous horde thing,
They all
which is
stand
also
up
the
front.
precursor to disaster on a ship.
Right. Whenever you see a group of people on a ship, you should never stand with those people because they're going to hoard on top of each other, and that's how everything bad starts. You know, getting in the lifeboats. With the ship sinking, you're all trying to get to the dry spots. Side Adventure, watch it from like 1974, classic. And it tells you to always wear sensible shoes and clothing when the ship is sinking, because if you're trying to run in heels in an evening dress, you're going to fucking drown.
Hence why Kirsten did not wear heels nor an evening gown the entire trip.
If there is a ship disaster, I'm not going to be the one that's stuck at the bottom running in heels.
When you get on the boat, you have to do your safety thing. Now you do it instead of going out with your KPOC life jacket and congregating. You do it on the app.
You just watch a video of someone show you how to put a life vest on. Like we've not learned this from every airline has attended on the planet.
Then you check in with the app with some too. But Miss Safety First here took it many steps further.
Well, I just like to see where all the lifeboats are. And they have these tiny ones that are like 55-gallon barrels.
They're like oil
they
drums.
Like split them open and they turn into tiny sailboats.
Some sort of rowboat or some shit like that. She wants one of those so she doesn't have to deal with other humans or like throw children overboard or eat a small child if she's
abandoned. We're supposed to tie those onto the ropes that are on the big yellow submarine boats. The lifeboats have lids on them, so you go in. They didn't cover that for safety thing, and I was a little upset about that. But
I'm sure there's a video.
Looks like we're gonna make it back to shore because we're only 12 hours out now, so it should be good.
We are creeping closer and closer across the Gulf of Mexico.
Back to Galveston.
Back to Galveston to hopefully find the the Fuji camera. We were going to do Polaroids. We were going to do a whole series of
Which
fun
I don't even know
Polaroids.
why, but
now
but someone lost the camera.
Someone lost the camera.
Between point A and point B. So it might be in the car.
Or it might be in the hotel.
It might be in the hotel.
Or someone ran off with it. We will find out tomorrow when we call the hotel.
Last time we saw the camera.
Do you want one for the road?
Oh God, no! Thank you, though.
We're good. We're good, Kenzie.